Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Master, that's Zim Tech guy. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing and setting up the M7 Smart Band. This should not be mistaken with Xiaomi's Mi Band 7, although this is where they got their inspiration from. This is pretty much a clone. Now on the box pretty much looks like the Mi Band 7. It is actually is the Mi Band 7 on the front, although the M7 looks quite different. Right, when you go to the side, it says up to 30 workout modes available here. Water resistance up to 50 meters, although I highly doubt that. Reliable sleep information recording, magnetic charging. If we flip the box to the other side, here it's saying it is 0.96 inches full AMOLED display, blood oxygen saturation monitoring, stress monitoring, breathing training, menstrual cycle data tracking. I highly doubt that as well. So let's not waste our time. Let's see if we can just open this box. All right, let me just put the box here. And now the Smart Band comes with the same charger that was there. I think they've had this charger for the past 2 years on the M5 and the M6. So it comes with the charger, just a basic charger. Let me just put that back. Okay. All right. Okay. So the band itself, I don't know. This time around, it looks a bit rigid, but it's just a plastic band. There's nothing fancy about it. And then we have the face itself, the watch face itself. All right, here it's got this M here at the bottom, but the sensors, this pretty much looks like the same sensors that were there last year. I don't know if they improved anything. On the front, there's the watch face itself. Let me see if I can hold it. Maybe there's power in here. All right, looks like there's no power in here. Okay, but let's just peel this off. Okay. As you can see, if we do the comparison already, I'm not sure if you can see that, but you can. It's saying it is an AMOLED display, but this is just another LCD, just like last year. Try to see the comparison. This is the Mi Band 7, and this is it. This one actually takes most of the real estate here, but this one is full of bezels. Let's see if we can just charge this, and I'll give you my initial impressions. All right, so managed to charge this the band, but as you can see, the watch face. This is the Mi Band 7. You can see that the watch face is filling up the whole display, whereas the Mi Band 7, the clone is only filling up just probably half of the display. So that's the major difference between the original one and this one. Let's see if we can go through. Okay, there's steps, heart rate, but these icons actually look like they are the same ones that are on the M6 from last year. I see sports, message, sleep, weather, music, more. Just press and hold. More options, camera, looking for theme. Okay, let me press and hold. Let's see what sort of themes are here. Okay, I have to press. So these are some of the watch faces that are here. Okay, looks like there are only 2 watch faces here. Okay, now yeah, the build quality, it looks very, very cheap. This is not the best out there, but then again, at this price point, I don't think many people will be complaining. All right, so let's see if we can connect the M7 to a smartphone. There are 2 ways to do this, and both methods involve a QR code. So on the user manual, there's a QR code here which you need to scan, and you can also go on the band itself and long press here, go to here. There's another QR code on the band itself, so you need a phone for this process. Now on Android, you need to go to the Play Store and download a QR code reader. Let me just see if I can go to the Play Store. Okay, so there's this one here. Let me just click on this one. It's just install a QR code reader. Now, if you're using iPhone, the camera has an inbuilt QR code reader. So all you need to do is just use the camera there, and it will work out great. All right, so the QR code reader is just launched. Let me just give it permissions. All right. Okay. Long press. There's the QR code. Yes, finally. All right, so it's taking me to this. So it's using the Fit Pro app. Now there are 3 options here. You can download directly from the server. This says in China only, but you can, if you're on iOS, you can use the App Store. And I'm going to use Google Play. Okay, just install the Fit Pro app. Okay, let me just fast forward this part of the video until it finishes loading. So the Fit Pro app is installing. All right, just click open. Okay, device. Okay, allow while using app. All right, so now we want to set the M7 to the Fit Pro app. Coming where it says set, and here it says bind device to experience more features. We want to click on that. Okay, so it's scanning. All right, so the M7 finally showed up. It's written 716. Let's just click on that. It's trying to connect. Now, you know it is connected when the time on the M7 adjusts. All right, like as you see, it's now saying 840, and it's 840 on the smartwatch. And those steps have been recorded. So this is how you connect the M7 to the Fit Pro app. Now, talking about the Fit Pro app, let's just go through. There's home. Here we're showing the distance of consumption and your target. Now it's saying incomplete. Okay, your heart rate monitoring is here, and you can also just do your heart rate monitoring straight from here. You can just click here, and it will, like right now, should be measuring. This light is supposed to flicker. Let's just click start measuring. As you can see, now, I'm not sure how accurate this is. Like I said, just put my thumb there and see if it will record. But then there's nothing to compare it to at the moment. So it will be interesting to see how accurate this is. How I'm getting a few bands coming in the coming weeks, and I'll be testing this out. So stay tuned for the full review. Yeah, so basically that's it, guys. This has been an unboxing of the M7 and connecting it to the Fit Pro app. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. If this video was helpful, also consider subscribing. Otherwise, see you in the next video.